We got lobster pasta, y'all. You already know. Something quick and easy. Dinner for two. Let's get to it, y'all. It's JB Sutton hands. Alright, so got our lobsters. These around about 2 pounds each. Killed them off camera. We're gonna boil this. It's gonna make it easy to remove the meat. But let's take a look at this, y'all. Look at the claws on this bad boy. Just gonna put them straight in our water. So we not cooking this. Like I said, it's gonna go ahead about 2 minutes. This is only to remove the meat. 2 minutes, that's it, y'all. Take these big boys out. So I'm gonna put them straight in ice water. It'll stop the cooking process. So when we're breaking this down, we're gonna start our tail first. So push it in, give it a little twist. Take our kitchen shears. I like to just cut it through the stomach. Get a little pull. Should come right out. Cut down the back. We're gonna wash all that out. Alright, gonna twist our claws off. Cut it right there. Give it a little twist. Come on the side. Boom. Gonna move the thumb. Slide right out. The thumb meat out. Also got a little meat in these knuckles. Break them off. Boom. Try to wiggle this out. See, I nicked myself a little bit. I just noticed that, but my own tie little legs. Break these off. Then we're gonna take our scissors. We're just gonna cut it like this. I see the professionals. I think they can use a rolling pin to get it out, but I can't do it. So you can do that. Kudos to you, but it's a little meat left in here, and it's super sweet. So before we get started seasoning this, I'm gonna just cut this up a little bit. Let's make it easy to, cook. What I really like about this dish, you get the tail, the claw, the legs, and knuckles, all that different meat, different amount of sweetness, different flavors, different textures. So each bite of the pasta is something different. But we're gonna season this. Start with a little Cajun seasoning, some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, a little bit of pepper. I love that pepper. And finish off with a pinch of salt. Get a nice little stir. I'm gonna hit with a little extra Cajun and smoked paprika. Alright, now for the fun part, y'all. We're gonna add a tablespoon of butter. Alright, now I got this roasted garlic. All I do is put this in the oven, 375, 20 minutes. Cut the garlic in half, some olive oil. That's it, y'all. Add a whole lot of flavor to the dish. Now we're gonna add our lobster. I'm gonna squeeze just a little lemon in there. Add a little bit of Italian parsley. Our lobster's been cooking about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add us some cherry tomatoes. Alright, we're gonna take this off, y'all. I'm gonna try to leave some of this at the bottom of this pan. We're gonna make us a sauce. So I'm gonna add another tablespoon of butter to the pan. Then I'm throwing in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Some chicken stock. Just putting this in just to break down the tomato paste a little bit. Then we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Not too much. Let that cook for a little bit, y'all. So when that starts to simmer, that's a little bit of lemon juice. Season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Final step to our sauce, which really gonna set this over the top. Got some smoked mozzarella cheese, y'all. Not the bad kind, got that fresh stuff. Gonna shred this right in here. Ready to add a nice flavor to this pasta. Watch the thickness of that sauce. That's what you're looking for. Right there. Nice, slow, thick drip. So I'm using fresh pasta today, y'all, instead of the hard store-bought. This is herb pasta. Nice little toss. Now we're throwing in our lobster. See, I didn't cheat you on the meat. Should be a bite of lobster in every fork. And there it is, y'all. Lobster dinner for two. Check it out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching, y'all. JB Sutton Hands.